Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix the Roblox error code 403 authentication failed error. Before moving to the solution, you can support me by liking my video and also subscribing my channel. Let me guide. So first of all, you have to open your run box by pressing the window plus R at once, and then search here for the percentage local app data percentage, and after this you have to just press OK. And after this you will find here's a step of the interface. Now you have to just click on the app data and then double click on the local folder to open it, and now you have to just find here the Roblox folder. After finding, you have to just right click and then click on the delete. So this deleting process may take about 3 to 4 minutes, then you have to be patient for that time. After completing the deleting process, you have to just close this window and restart your PC or laptop. After restarting, you have to just open your laptop or device setting and then click on the network and the internet option here. After this, you have to just click on the VPN option and turn these two options off. Basically, you have to turn off all the VPNs in your device. Moving to the next, you have to open your browser that you are using. Like I am using the Chrome browser, and search here for the roblox.com and then hit the enter. And at this homepage of Roblox, just click on the discover option, and here you have to select any game that you want. Like I am selecting this one. Now tap to open this, and here you have to just click on the play button. This is basically to install your Roblox again. After doing so, click on the download and the install Roblox option here. After doing so, you have to just open the downloaded folder and install your game again. After doing exactly the same, you have to open your control panel and then select here the small icon and then click on the Windows Defender Firewall option here. And moving to the next, you have to click on the allow an app or the feature through Windows Defender Firewall here. So now this type of the window will open for you. You have to just click on the change settings and now scroll down to find here the Roblox folder. When you find the Roblox, then you have to just click on this option and then make sure that the private and the public both mode are turning on for the Roblox. After doing so, you have to just click on the OK and then close this window. If this method not work for you, then you have to just check your internet speed. You have to just open your Chrome browser or any browser and search for the speed test by Ocala and then click on the first website here. After this, you have to just click on the go option and it will automatically detect your internet speed. If your internet speed is not enough to support the game, then you will find the error code 403. Wait for the good internet connection. After this, your problem will be fixed automatically. So that's all for this video. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in my description. So give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.